Good afternoon, everyone. Well, this is day 2 of them, doing their thing. But I did want to record this, document it, and then make note that we're due to have some heavy rain starting tomorrow evening into Sunday. Up north, they're going to get heavy, severe amounts of snow. But, yeah, so the more chemicals they get up in the sky, or more chemicals that they can actually get to fall to earth, we'll let the rain come in and do the rest. Push that into our water system, push that into our food, or the food for wildlife. That's just... And why? Why would they do this, right? They need this planet too. Or do they? What are they? Who are they that are doing this? These people are not normal humans because they need the same resources that every other normal human does. So, what are these? What are they? Look at it all down there. It's just crazy. Anyway, I'm not going to go off on a tangent about who I think they are or what I think they are. Just documenting. Anyway, have a blessed day, everyone.